Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 5 crypto resources you need to know now. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Crypto witches, gather in a circle here. We will tell you about our favorite platforms and free tools that will help you learn, stay organized, and invest in cryptocurrency like a boss. Find out about the 5 crypto resources you must know about. 1. CoinMarketCap website. CoinMarketCap is the best place to check crypto prices, find project white papers, confirm circulating, maximum and total supplies, and see project volume and market caps in real time. CoinMarketCap also has information about the team behind the project, historical data, holder statistics, wallets, social media accounts, project news feeds, exchanges where you can trade, and so more. You can also see what other coins and tokens holders are watching based on the projects you are interested in. 2. CoinParticle. If you learn best by seeing things, CoinParticle is the right place for you. It shows how a coin or token's volume rises and falls in the market compared to other projects over 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, or longer time periods. In addition to the visual display, CoinParticle also gives you a standard view of cryptocurrency prices by market cap if that's your thing. 3. HODL. Our HODL app is our favorite, can't live without tool to keep track of our portfolio, and we love it. There is a free version with occasional ads, but if you check your crypto portfolio more than once a day, we recommend the $2.99 per month ad-free version. HODL makes it easy to keep track of all your purchases, daily, yearly, and all-time profits and losses in your native cryptocurrency and also by 1%. Sales and trades. This is true whether you keep your crypto in multiple wallets, on a centralized exchange, or are staking on a DeFi platform. Yet, it has to be done. 4. Etherscan websites. Gas fees can be hard to figure out, especially if you are new to the world of DeFi and NFTs. Etherscan is a website that helps people who use the Ethereum blockchain to make transactions by tracking gas. Go to their website, which is always free, and you can see the current low, average, and high prices for Ether gas. Find out how Ether addresses and wallets rank by gas guzzler. Find charts and statistics and figure out how much your transfer or transaction will cost. 5. Zappa websites. We love nothing more than a well-organized dashboard solution that is free as hell and keeps all of your crypto investments in one place. Zappa is the dashboard for everything you do in DeFi, including staking, lending, farming, buying NFTs, and checking the balance in your wallet. From your Uniswap to your MetaMask, you can find all your DeFi items in one place and trade, stake, and learn right from the dashboard. Don't worry about keeping track of 1 million logins and passwords for your DeFi investments anymore. Use these tools to stay up to date on crypto trends. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner-friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.